Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to delete rulers in InDesign 2022. So let's get started. At first, open your Adobe InDesign 2022 software. Then open your document. Now in Adobe InDesign 2022 you can delete rulers, but you can hide them if you don't want to see them. Then firstly see, here is my rulers. Now I am add ruler in the page. Okay, now this is the ruler. Now I am zoom. You see this, it's a ruler. Then delete the some ruler. Then go to the view menu and you can see here are the hide ruler option. Now click this. Now our ruler is hided. Then again go to the view menu and click show rulers. Now our ruler is showing. You can hide ruler shortcut on your keyboard. Press Ctrl R on your keyboard. This ruler is hide it. Now you can see delete ruler or hide ruler in InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.